WP Inventor. Today we're gonna learn how to install Google Sitekit in our WordPress website. So first of all, we have to go to our dashboard, and there we have to add new plugin. Okay, we have to search here Google and here it is by Google, Sitekit by Google, Analytics, Search Console, AdSense, Ad Speed. We have to install it. And activate it. It is installing here. Okay, now we start the setup. And verify site ownership, and we have to sign in with our Google account. Okay, here is my account. We have to connect it. Okay, here is some permissions, so we simply allow it. Okay, confirm your choices. All here are selected, and we have to allow it. Okay, you are verified owner of wpinventor.com. Okay, and we have to allow to display metrics on Sitekit dashboard, so we allow it. Okay, and here is congratulations. Go to my dashboard, we have to click it. Okay, simply wait for some time. Okay, so here is our Google Search Console, AdSense, Analytics, and Page Speed Insights. So we just connected with our Search Console. Now we have to connect with our Analytics. Here is my account. Again, I click on it and simply allow this permission. And after that, we have to allow it once again. Okay, so here is our account, property, and all website data. We have to select this all website data and just click on configure analytics. So here you can see we just connect to search console. After that we connect Google Analytics, and the last thing here is page speed insight. We have to click on it, connect service, and it is connected. Yes, if you have AdSense account you can simply connect it from here, but today we don't have, so we leave this. So here is your traffic at glance. So here is your all the metrics, your location, devices, and all the data here. And after some time Google search console will also share its data with this Google Sitekit. And here is some most popular content, and here is page speed insight, page speed and experience in the lab, in the field. So here is both PC and mobile. And yes, if you want to run the test again, we simply click on it. It will definitely take some time, so be patient. So yes, our website is not so optimized, so that's why our score is not good on mobile, but for desktop it's fine. So that's all for today guys. Do subscribe, like our channel